saying Mac.
Sully and Mike?
Yeah.
That's cool. What do they say?
They don't say anything.
They don't say anything?
No.
They must say something if they talk.
I can do. I do with one hand.
You can do it with one hand. Good. You are killing that pizza, buddy. I love it. You're doing a great job.
You're dear.
Yeah, I'm all done. I just have this little burnt piece left. I'll nibble on it. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. You got some banana to eat there, too. I think Melman's got his eye on your banana.